Okay, algebra students. Okay, we're getting near the end. All right, so our group practice question for today is: what are the solutions of m minus 11 greater than or equal to negative 2? Okay, so if this looks unfamiliar to you, I'm going to change it real quick. I'll make two lines here. Okay, so make a line down the middle. I'm going to write the equation. This is the one that's on the paper here. Now I'm going to change one thing on this other side. Now the thing is, well, wait a second. The only thing he really changed here was the equal sign of the inequality. There's the inequality, it says greater than or equal to, and this just says equal to. Well, maybe visually this might help some of us. If you know this already, go ahead. You don't have to do the right-hand side if you don't want to. I will say do the right-hand side to get an idea of what we have to do. So to do this problem, as I have learned forever, right, we've known this for a long time, we got to isolate the variable. Isolate, in this case, the variable is m. I want my final answer to be m equals something. Okay, so, well, the first thing that's in my way, pretty simple, is this minus 11. I got to use the opposite operation of subtraction. That's addition, but I have to do it to both sides. And I have to get rid of that 11. So to move everything over to this side of the equation, I have to do the same operation on both sides. Negative 11 plus 11 works out really nice and becomes 0. So now I just have m, that's how I want it, equals negative 2 plus 11. Now if I don't know how to do that in the calculator, I'm not going on the calculator right now, I put that in, negative 2 plus 11. Negative 2 plus 11 in the calculator will give me the answer is 9. That's all I wanted. Now I'm going to move over here, and look, it's the same exact idea. Now instead of drawing the line through the equal sign, I draw it through the inequality. I have to isolate this m, so I have to add 11 here. I have to add 11 here. This again goes to 0. Now I have m is greater than or equal to negative 2. That's it. Now this is easy to graph. I cannot graph this. I cannot graph this. To graph something, you need the variable on one side. You have to have m by itself or x or whatever the letter has to be by itself. Then you can graph it. If you do not have this, you cannot graph this unless you solve this. Impossible to graph this. I don't know what that means. I can't draw that. So just remember, you have to solve it before you graph it. I'm going to make this easy on myself. Middle number, going to be negative 2. Then I'm going to go closer to 0 here, negative 1, then 0. And over here, I'm going to go negative 3, negative 4. So I made a quick little number line. I'm going to use the color green to do my arrow. Let me make this a little bit easier to see. So m is greater than, well, greater than is to the right. So I'm going to circle here, circle the number, negative 2, go this way, and go that way. Okay, so it's greater than, but it's equal to, which means I can't leave this closed, I have to fill this in. And that is all there is. Okay. You guys have a good one. I have one more coming for you, independent practice, and then we are done for today's lesson.